Hello everyone, this is Drew for Drew Drives at Grubbs Infiniti in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in the 2025 INFINITI QX80 Autograph, the flagship model in the Infiniti lineup and the most expensive QX80, also the most luxurious and most feature-packed model. I have a video on the Sensory if you want to check that out, and today we're gonna go on the Autograph. So very nice steering wheel right here. You have the most advanced Infiniti Pro Pilot radar system in here, so you have the radar here to track your eyes while you're driving if you want to do hands-free driving in the most advanced setting. You have ventilated seats, heated seats, massage seats. You also have a 360-degree camera system as well, and you can also see different views. You also have like the blind spot views over there, which is pretty helpful. Very nice system. You even have a 3D system. Look at that. That's so cool. You can look around the car with the car model right there. Pretty advanced system right there. Very impressed. You have built-in Google Maps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, built-in dash cam. You have a camera in the interior too, and another one. And you have a lot of room, a lot of space. You have the Klipsch Reference Premier sound system, which is amazing, with these huge speaker grills around the headrest. You have the Autograph logo embossed into the seats. Very nice. A lot of storage. It's a cool box, so you can put like drinks in there. You can put like anything you don't want to get heated up in there. Look, it's like really loud, the fans too, so it's really gonna cool your stuff down. This is finished in radiant white. Looks very nice in white. I'll be getting a more in-depth walk around on this vehicle as well once it gets a little bit more cleaned up. Nice badging right there. Very nice. So here's your cargo space with the third row folded. You have cup holders in the third row. You even have heated seats, which is crazy. You have heated seats in the third row. So this giant Infiniti light bar, it's meant to like represent cities or buildings in a city, all of these, which is a pretty cool idea right there. So basically your seats right here, you can fold them down like this, you can move them back and forth. You even have a little screen back here. Power on, you have control climate, heated and ventilated seats, and adjust the seats back and forth. You even have massage seats in the middle row. How often do you see that? That is awesome. So basically your middle passengers will be, you know, cocooned with luxury and control whatever they want back there, like a true luxury vehicle. QX80 has a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 with 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. But yeah, let's go on that ride. Oh yeah, you also have that camera mirror. Let's put this car in sport mode for the drive. I like to do test drives in sport mode, just to test out the driving dynamics of the vehicle. Sport mode will stiffen up your suspension, lower the air suspension height for better center of gravity. Yeah, this vehicle's pretty quick. If you see my video on the Sensory, I'm pretty impressed with the way it accelerates. It's pretty quick. I mean, that twin turbo V6 operates very well, and it sounds like a Q50 Red Sport. Those turbos. The 9-speed is very responsive and it's nice. Ride heights are very nice. Seats are extremely comfortable, especially when you have the massage feature on. Let's put the car in standard mode. You also have an eco mode. Using this little scroll wheel on the right, you can scroll in between your menus. Seems like the color theme in the QX80 2025 is like brown. You can see like it looks like sand or something like that, and it's like a brown interface down there too. Blind spots are good visibility. You have a panoramic sunroof as well. So yes, this Autograph is a very, very luxurious vehicle. Infiniti did a great job with making a very elegant SUV which stands out on the road, and also providing great luxury for its buyers. Not only will you and your passenger in the passenger seat be comfortable, but all your passengers will be comfortable. And the third row is insanely spacious. I'm 6'1" and I can barely fit in most back seats, let alone third row. But in this car, I can fit in the third row comfortably, very comfortably. I have space to keep my legs not crushed by the seat, and I can relax. And as I mentioned, it has heated rear seat, it has heated third row. I'm mainly impressed by the massage seats in this middle row. That's not a very common feature, regardless of how, if you look at the competition, many, you know, flagship 3-row SUVs like this, around this price point, above $100,000, don't have massage seats in the middle row. So that's a very big feature. And yeah, obviously it's very quiet in here, very, very quiet. You feel very cocooned from the road. Quite impressive. And the Autograph is roughly $112,000, about $10,000 more than the Sensory, which is the second highest trim. The Autograph will basically give you, yeah, the massaging middle row. The seats have like the diamond stitch pattern, which you won't get in the Sensory. Quality of the leather is the same, but you just have like the Autograph embossed in the seat, and then you also have the diamond stitching. And the exterior, the wheels are a very more intricate design, stands out more than it does on the Sensory. And I'm going over these bumps and it's absorbing them very well. I'm in standard mode, which you would probably want to do most of your driving in. If you're on heavy traffic, just put it in eco mode so it can, you know, help you regulate your fuel economy a little bit better. Oh, you also have a heated steering wheel, which is expected. But the build quality is really nice. Everything feels wonderful in here. Really love this trim. Also over there in the dark and at nighttime, that Infiniti lettering and those lines will light up. Pretty cool. If you want to take this 2025 QX80 for a test drive, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs family of dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below. And you can also shop for the 2025 QX80 at Grubbs Infiniti. This handle is very nice, and as I mentioned in my other video on this car, on the Sensory, this is not a performance SUV, but it does have performance numbers and performance characteristics with the horsepower figure, the suspension, and just the way it behaves. it, you know, like this doesn't behave like a just, it's very luxurious, but that doesn't mean that the driving experience isn't fun. A lot of luxury SUVs have like a very boring experience. Like, it's not fun to drive. The steering is very light. The suspension feels wafty. In this, it's not like that at all. It gives you sporty characteristics with a very luxurious ride. So this car does a great job of blending luxury and sporty characteristics very, very well. And I love how thick the steering wheel is. Very thick and easy to grip for hands of all sizes. And I like this, how they modify the Infiniti logo a little bit. It's like gloss black inside now. It has like this platinum color around it, and they changed the logo in the middle a little bit there. You'll only notice that if you are, you know, someone who really likes all the little details, like myself. But I like that. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew of Drives and joining me on this drive in the 2025 QX80 Autograph. If you like, once again, if you'd like to shop the QX80 2025, check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below. And I will catch you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more walkarounds and test drives on this vehicle.